How to find your MetaQuest pin. For that, first of all, launch your MetaQuest. If you have not installed it, then you have to install it from your App Store. Then, once you install it, simply launch your MetaQuest application. From there, you will see human icon on the bottom of your page. Simply hit on that and hit on the three lines from the top right corner. Now, scroll down a little bit. There you will see option of reset MetaQuest pin. Hit on that. From here, you will not able to see your MetaQuest pin, but you can reset your MetaQuest pin. Simply hit on the forget pin. Then you will land to this page. Hit on the reset pin request. Then you will receive an email. Go through the email and verify your identity, and then you can change your pin. In this way, you can find out your MetaQuest pin. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.